I'm dripped up like ooh yeah, money coming ooh yeah, all the time like ooh yeah, don't know what to do yeah, jump up in the pool yeah, we dripped up like ooh yeah.
Good morning, Tubi!
So, today I am going to be recording my first video. I am so excited, oh my goodness. I am setting up for a science project for my students. Are you ready for a science project today? You ready? Are you excited? You should.
Today we are going to learn about our 5 senses. I'm so excited. Y'all ready?
Yeah!
Okay. So, who knows what their 5 senses are?
Me.
You know what your 5 senses are? What are your 5 senses?
So, you can see, you can hear, you can touch, you can smell, and you taste.
Yes. What do you guys see with?
With your eyes.
You guys, you see with your eyes.
Let me see everybody point to their eyes. Point to your eyes. Let me see if you know where your eyes at. Let me see. Good job.
What do you guys do with your ears?
You can hear.
Yeah, let me see who.
Where their ears are. Let me see everybody point to their ears. Yep, you can hear with your ears.
What do you guys do with your tongue?
Taste.
You taste. What do you taste?
Like some
Cupcakes, candy, gummies. What do you do with your nose? You smell. What's something that you guys smell outside? Oh, you can smell flowers outside. What else can you smell outside? You can smell barbecue outside if somebody's on the grill. What else? That's inside, but maybe if you're outside on the grill, you can smell some chicken. Okay, listen. Do you guys know how our eyes work? Do you know how the eyes work? Listen. This is how your eyes work. Light sends messages to your brain and it tells you what you're seeing. Listen. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna taste, okay? I'm gonna give everybody a Capri Sun and we're gonna taste it. We're gonna taste fruit punch flavored Capri Sun. I'm gonna give all my friends a Capri Sun so they can taste. Yep. I want to know what it tastes like. Let's see if all our friends have their taste set.
Tastes good.
Hold up 1 second. I'm gonna get you the last one. It tastes like cherry. Tastes like oranges. Tastes like apples. Tastes like grapes. What else? Cherries. You guys know how to use your manners? Everybody say thank you. You're welcome. So you guys get to taste the Capri Sun. You use your tongue to taste, right? Good job. It's good? That's good.
It's good.
Okay. So what do we do with our ears? We hear with our ears. Do you guys know how we hear? Listen. There's little bitty hairs inside of our ear, and then when there's a noise or something, it makes the hairs inside of our ear move. And then those little hairs inside of our ear, it tells our brain that we hear something.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
Remember that alarm?
Huh? The alarm? Yep. You guys remember when we had the fire drill?
Yeah. We
Yep.
had 2 of them.
When the alarm went off, it made the little hairs in our ear move, and then our brain said the fire alarm is going off.
And we ran to the gate.
Yes, and we ran over there to the
And
gate.
we get inside.
Yep, good job,
And we
friend.
all went down. We had one kid, no fire.
Okay,
Together.
okay, listen. Miss Sunday is about to do a water project, okay? Do you guys know what this is? Water. And I'm gonna let you guys see what this is. I'm gonna see if you guys can guess what it is. Don't grab it. I don't want it to spill. Look. What do you guys think that is?
That looks like water drink.
It look like what?
Orange.
It look like orange juice?
Yeah.
It look like orange juice? It's called vegetable oil. It's called vegetable oil. Yes.
Yeah.
We are gonna use it for our science project.
No.
And you guys see this?
Yeah.
This is food coloring.
Oh, I used to have those.
What's y'all favorite color?
Pink.
I heard somebody say their favorite color is pink. Somebody like purple. Somebody like blue. Somebody like green. Okay, look, guess what? Listen. Zip it, lock it. Good job. Okay, so Miss Sunday, she is gonna put some drops of food coloring in here. And do you guys know if oil and water, if they mix together, do they mix? You think so? Who thinks oil and water is gonna mix? Raise your hand. Okay, who thinks that oil and water is not gonna mix? Raise your hand if you don't think it's gonna mix. Raise your hand. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop these drops in here. I'm gonna put a couple purple drops. Who want pink drops? Okay, Miss Sunday gonna put a couple pink drops. Okay, who want green? All right, Miss Sunday gonna put a couple green drops. Okay, hold it in your lap. Hold it in your lap. Who likes blue? Okay, Miss Sunday gonna put some blue drops. Okay, yes, I have a blue shirt. Who else has on a blue shirt? How do you guys know you have on the blue shirt? Miss Sunday's gonna pour, listen, look up here, everybody pay attention. Miss Sunday is gonna pour the oil and the water and we're gonna see what happens, okay? Y'all ready? It's rainbow. Do you guys like that? Okay, listen, I'm gonna call you guys one at a time so everybody can come put their Capri Suns in the garbage. Don't get up until I call your name though, okay? You ready? You're gonna get to walk by and you're gonna get to look at what it looks like. I want you to tell me all the pretty colors that you see. I want you to tell me everything you think about it, okay? You ready? I want my friend Sean to come up here first.
Look at the top so you can see what it's doing on the top. I can see purple.
You see purple?
Yes,
All right,
it
come on,
says-
Ken. Come here, Ken Anthony. Come take a look.
Come take a look.
Come on, Carter.
I see what.
What colors do you see?
On this.
What colors? Don't touch it.
Purple.
Purple, what else? Come on, Carter. What colors do you see?
I see pink.
Pink, what else?
Purple.
Purple, what else?
Blue.
Blue? All right, good job. Come on, Atlanta and Brooklyn. In the garbage and come take a look.
I can see purple.
Is the oil and the water together? Did it mix?
Yeah, I can
Did it mix? Look from the side.
It looks like Coke.
It looked like Coke.
Yeah.
I think I see the oil at the, is it at the top or the bottom?
At the top.
At the top? Good job. You guys are so smart.
Ooh, I can see blue.
You see blue?
And I can see a little bit green bubbles.
I love it. Look from the side. Do you see the oil? Did the oil and the water mix? Did it mix? Look. I think I see oil at the top. What do you guys see? You see orange? You see purple? You see rainbow? Is it moving? Is it moving? It's moving? Smells like broccoli. All right, good job. Have a seat, please, so we can move on to our hearing. Hearing is gonna be fun. Yes, hearing Come have a look. Come on. So Miss Sunday told you that the hairs in your ear move and it tells you that you hear something, right? Yeah. So Miss Sunday's gonna play music for you guys. We're gonna make some music. You hear that? Does everybody hear that? So when Miss Sunday made the bang bang noise, the little hairs in your ears, they went to moving and it told your brain, Miss Sunday's playing the syllables. Here, you get a chance. Okay, you guys hear this? Try the syllables and pass it to your friends. Try it. All right, I want my friend Joaquin to try it first. Pass it. You gotta try it and pass it. Do the symbols and pass it. Good job. Pass it. You gotta bang it and pass it. Good job. Bang it and pass it. Bang it and pass it. Pass it, Joaquin. Pass it to the next friend. Everybody bang it and pass it. Good job. Okay. You guys touch. You guys can feel what is this called? It's a starfish. You guys watch SpongeBob? This is what Patrick is, a starfish. This is a real starfish from the beach. So I want you guys to tell me how it feels. Is it soft? Is it hard? Is it smooth? Is it rough? I want all my friends to tell me what it feels like, okay? You're going to use your sense of touch to feel it, okay? Sensory board for my friends to feel. You guys can pick up all of the little knobs and then you can touch on the board and you can see what the different things feel like on the board, okay? I want you guys to tell me what these feel like as well. Pass it. What does it feel like? Pick them up and tell me what they feel like.
It's yellow.
Yep, you got to feel the different. Friend, what does the starfish feel like? Is it hard? It feels like a rock?
Yeah.
Is it hard or soft?
Soft.
It's soft? It is? Araya, is it soft or hard? It is? Tomorrow, get the starfish and tell me if it's soft or hard. Soft?
It's hard.
It's hard. I think it's hard. Miss Sunday thinks it's hard.
But
What does that feel like? It feels soft. Is that carpet that you're feeling? Okay. Did you guys like this?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, friends. So what did we learn about? Good job, RP. Follow my godmother. Sunday.
Sunday.
Put on YouTube.
Check me on YouTube.
Yeah, don't know what to do, yeah. Jump up in the pool, yeah. We tripped up like, ooh, yeah.